In today's video, I want to show you guys what you can do if your Farming Simulator 25 is not starting or opening. Okay, for the first step, we go into the search bar. Here we look for the task manager. So click on this, and here we look for all processes from the Farming Simulator 22, which are running in the background right now. That can be the launcher you have started the Farming Simulator with, that can be the game, or that can be the anti-cheat from the game. So, and if you find something, right click on it, and then end the task. So, because sometimes processes from the game are running in the background, and this causes that the real game cannot start. So what we want to do is to end the task that it makes a fully restart of the game possible. And if this not helps, we can go in the search bar. Here we look for the Farming Simulator. I haven't installed it on this PC, so I do this now with this program, for example. But you type in Farming Simulator 22 and do the following steps with your app. So here should be app and Farming Simulator 22. Right click on it and then run as an administrator. You can directly do it here, or we can click on Open File Location. Right click on it again, show more options, properties, and then here we have compatibility, and here we can run this program in compatibility mode, run disable the full screen optimization, and run this program as an administrator. Click on apply, click on OK. After that you have to restart your PC, that the settings will be saved. Okay, if I could help you with the video, please leave a like and subscribe, it would help me a lot. If not, write down in the comments, we will find a solution, and then see you next time.